Good morning, everyone. Now, good morning, my people. I greet all of you now. My brothers and sisters, now something carry us come this morning about one little girl of 17 years when they stay with me. Her name na Beatrice Oshoke. So now the mother be this. So this girl, like this lady now, now my dad tenant, but I take her as a sister. She gets 4 children. So this Beatrice, when they stay with me, so now be her first daughter. So we get one time when I go my dad's side, things no dey well for the woman. Now only she they take off the 4 children, and her husband leave the 4 children for her. So only she they suffer they take off them. So when I come, so I tell my stepmother, say, the girl where they stay with me before, she don't come out, so I need new person. So now Mama Beatrice say, Auntie, so after I come out, call tell my stepmother, say, since me need person, say, I beg, say, she go want to make her daughter and her son. Since I say I need 2 people, may they stay with me. So meanwhile, my stepmother, children, still there with me. So I can't tell her, say, no, say, I would prefer one. So now that then I will see the Beatrice well safe. I know they two go that side. So when Beatrice come, Beatrice will stay with me. The first 3 days where Beatrice spent for my house, before Beatrice even follow me, my stepmother tell me, say, this girl when they follow me, so say, now good girl when it comes to maybe if you see the respect or anything. Say, but the only problem when she gets now men. Now when my stepmother tell me, I can say, a small girl like this go they do men matter. I didn't believe her. I just believe maybe she don't want, as I know as I'll tell explain her. I call the sense maybe jealousy or something like that. But I just say maybe I say maybe she wants, maybe it's okay now only her pikin they stay with me, but I don't just look down. So I don't really reason the matter because I be not believe her. So when Beatrice starts staying with me, my stepmother contacted me, say, make I check. Say, Beatrice has a lot of SIM card. So that word when she talks, so I picked that word. When I checked Beatrice, I saw 3 different SIM card of 3 different network for her hand. So she bring phone. She they insert those 3 SIM card. They call different people. When I check those SIM card, I see a lot of men number inside the SIM card. Now only one girl she saved with blessing for inside. So my stepmother asked me, and the mother asked me to collect that SIM card from her. So I collected the 3 SIM card. I keep her. So one day they won't go right to WAEC because she enrolled for WAEC. They won't go right to WAEC. She could say she need the SIM card or something. She won't send message go give her teacher for school and all. So me, I be very free person. And when person they stay with me, I they treat them like my own children. Because I be person where they fear God well. So when Beatrice, I give her the SIM card. Maybe she collects number. I know get to check what she do with the SIM card, you know. So she go write exam, come back. No, when she come my house like 3 days, the 3rd day, one furniture guy called work for me. Me no say as that furniture guy called work with me, Beatrice do already get new relationship with the furniture guy. So now my little boy, now I found out when they do my love for inside my own apartment. From where I put my things, my closet. So I come meet Beatrice with the boy inside there. Now I ask the boy, say, sweating my son tell me just now. The boy say, he no force Beatrice. As him talk to Beatrice no wants. Beatrice will tell him, say no. Say I'm more of an Beatrice, now find he come, where he call work, now Beatrice now they following for Nyash. You understand? So the boy was now rude as he they talk. So I actually like in my house and they talk rubbish. So I call the boy Oga. Inside this matter self, the boy was sat inside this matter. So people come tell me, say, me no go to blame that boy, now Beatrice me go beat Beatrice when your new come. I can still give her grace. I warned her. Say, you can't do that in my house. I warned her, that one pass. Beatrice continue to do more. Me no know say later she beg say she don't change. She no go do am again. She no go do anything that has to do with men again. She dey do a lot of things when you send Beatrice message. You go quick Beatrice, come ma. So when she begged me, she come go tell me say make I beg her parents say she no go put disgrace for their body again. Me can't really call the parents because say your daughter don't change. Say I still dey look her. For my office, I dey do a lot of things. I'm into skincare. I get my own brand with the soap, with the make clothes they sell, with they do makeup, baby salon, a lot of things there inside there. I can't tell her say as you write your egg finish, you go learn work for you. Never. What Beatrice was expecting now for me to they give Beatrice, maybe since a lot of people they come my shop, they buy things. Beatrice wants say me suppose they give him man. I know if he spoil another man picking. The only problem and the only crime when I commit now to the guide Beatrice as somebody when they stay with me for hours when I don't want make she corrupt. That was the only offense when I commit. So to cut the long story short, 3 days ago, day before yesterday, I sent this girl. And she does not clean the house, nothing. But I don't care because I don't see her as another person. I see her as my own person. Because the mother lives in my father's compound. You understand? So 3 days ago, I sent Beatrice message. Go buy fuel, come. Quick, customers, they shop. NEPA sees light. Run, go buy fuel, come. She say, fuel don't finish for Jane. But yeah, quick, run, go buy. My brothers and sisters, I don't even look to this girl. Because I noticed the new sandals when I buy for her. And the new purse of 5,000 naira, now she owe. But not the look at her when she dressed, she wear the jeans, shirts, and black jeans. So I know who can, I mean they buy the things for her. I just believe say, she need to define the come office. I don't need to say, come wear one thing, make she be like mad person. No. So, this girl, I don't know what this girl define. Evil cream which they use. Now my set of this 20,000 naira set of cream. Now I give that girl. What that girl they use. I don't know what Beatrice define for my body. My brothers and sisters, you know say I said this girl, say we want to go buy fuel. I know if you send her go filling station. Filling station is too far. I say just go this junction here, buy black markets. And so Beatrice reach the place, I no see Beatrice. 30 minutes, I no see her. I leave all the customers within my office. I drive enter my car, go find Beatrice. As I reach there, no, after 30 minutes, I send another of my boys, say, go call Beatrice, come. What is she still doing there? With money when I give her, not be money for give her change. And to just buy come for them. What is she doing there? That one go there, say, no, see him. I say, I begin find Beatrice pass everywhere. This one, so, don't they enter 1 hour. We find her enter 2 hours. If they go 3 hours, we'll never see Beatrice. So, I can't get to, so, okay, make I go for a place myself. After I reach there, behold, I see my jerry can on top of table for there. The blue jerry can. When I send a message, they on top of table. Now I say, madam, I beg this girl will bring this jerry can. Won't go buy. I beg, you don't, not be my jerry can, but this is empty. You don't sell fuel for her. Where she go? Now the woman say, when she come here, because she fed the store, they buy fuel before for black market from her for here. When she come here, she tell her, say, give me your phone. Beatrice actually left her phone so that if she come out, more for no fit trace her with that SIM card. She left the phone in the office. She go that place, beg the woman for phone. The woman say, in the charge her phone, moreover, she no get credit. Now Beatrice beg the next boy will get shop for them. Say, I beg you want call him madam. Deceive the boy, say, I won't call my madam. To ask my madam, say, the how much fuel she send me. Now the boy say, okay. Now the boy say, you go pay 100 naira. You give Beatrice. Beatrice no call me. Instead, the boy saying the year Beatrice call one other person, say, make it call picking for where they say, he don't get chance to come out. Say, like that one, drive, come. Boy, where Beatrice don't know before. I don't know so this why. Where Beatrice go say, I'll say, Beatrice, go buy lunch one and one eat. I don't know, Beatrice go take. He go say, they say the food never cook, they never cook the food. He call wait me, they cook him. I don't go beat him. I don't know, say, na boy around there, na Beatrice. They go meet and Beatrice go tell me, say, food never done. I make she spend time. I go still live on. My brothers and sisters, now 3 days, 9 days now. We never see Beatrice. That boy we carry, boy Beatrice call for phone. Beatrice delete the boy number. The boy tell Beatrice to delete the number. Come on, we take call with that mark call. We take call with the mark phone. Beatrice delete the number. More for no. The boy say make Beatrice delete and made it for no fit trace am. Beatrice delete the number. 3 days now. After when I don't see am 3 hours, I go police station. I go lay complain for police station that day. The matter, the case, dey police station. 3 days now. After they tell you so, Beatrice dey inside this GRO here. Or only God know where the boy carry Beatrice go. We no see Beatrice since 3 days now. Now her mother be this one. Make her mother turn in your parts.
What I want to talk? What I want to talk for you? Where pikin see better place to stay. They say pikin dey hungry, let me pikin dey waka waka. They find me they go. Wetin man wan be Beatrice? When make Beatrice no fit pull her down. Upon all the suffer, when I dey suffer, they follow Beatrice. Beatrice don't get up. Beatrice get up, go back for a call. Beatrice don't come out. He come out like that 3 days now. Beatrice don't call us. Beatrice no fit call me. Beatrice no fit call us. Okay, if you say sister go Beatrice, you come back. You no fit call my house. You no fit make call. Beatrice know my phone number. You no fit call me. You no go meet the papa for where he dey. How many years now papa leave there for me? Only me they carry their load they go. I no fit leave there because of they go suffer. And they suffer, they follow Beatrice. Beatrice no look this one. I say if you make her, you go fit help your brother, you go help your sister. Beatrice your rock come on. 3 days now, Beatrice no call back. Beatrice no call me for phone. Beatrice no even know whether I dey. I dey house. They suffer. They follow your brothers. Beatrice, if you God bless you, you will fit take care of your brother. Beatrice just follow man come out. The man wey put Beatrice for us. I know say na woman still born you. After they cry so, your mama go still cry. You get night to put pikin where you don't know. You don't know a mama, you don't know a papa. You don't know what's in our family for come out. You put her for hand for 3 days. You know if you say call your mama, I want to talk to your mama. You dey here, make your mama no panic. You just get comfortable. You dey comfortable for where you dey. I no go talk anything. If you like, you call her. If you not like, no come. But all I know, the case dey police station. The boy so where carry you. I know say mama nicely born now. He no for up.
I go jail for that.
If it good for me, as he do and so, he go still go for that. Then this Beatrice may call house. That Beatrice may call house. Nobody go beat Beatrice. Tell her may call house. If you not call his sister, may call my house. My house is there. Now what I want to talk be that. I don't get what I want to talk. Beatrice just put me for suffer. This day for yesterday. I know they sleep. I know they sleep. See people kill me because of Beatrice. Now bad that do. Because I see person where go fear her for life. The papa don't live her. Or if family now if papa people no they call, no they don't even know whether they exist. Only me just carry the load. Beatrice no know all those one. Now to follow man, now you know. Because of them, now I just get like this, they suffer. As if I suffer straight there. When time reach, I will see enjoy them. Now, this a Beatrice want to pay me back. Beatrice, they call us anywhere you dey, they call us. I know say you dey see me now. They call us.
I'm all over the case, the police station. Me where you they stay with, where your mama begged me say make her they look after you.
No, they say they suffer you.
You know they suffer.
They don't take
see us
where
they stay. They know they suffer you. You say
many
never.
You
say I refuse you.
Even though that day when they say 17 years old. When the sister call me, I see many things where they do, whether they do criminal. The one where they say they do before they call send out the message, it still get there now. The sister no fit do anything. Everything with everybody. If you don't come out.
Beatrice, you come out. Then the boy will carry you. And we go post Beatrice picture for Facebook now. And I won't beg all of you now beg. If I post this boy, this girl picture for Facebook, anybody will make una join hand together, but we'll put eye down. Anybody will see this girl for anywhere, make the hold on. The person when he deliver this girl to me, I go pay the person 50,000 naira. Then for the boy we carry Beatrice put for house, the case they go police station already. No worry, you sabi kidnap another person pikin, put her for house, they sleep with them. As you like, they sleep with them. No worry. That girl so you forget a person born her, and you forget another person now they stay with. Me where they stay with. I be na video, live video, and comedy now they do. So a lot of people know me. Me block put her for Facebook now say anybody when see Beatrice, make the person I go put her picture. Make them bring Beatrice for me or show me the location. I go drop my number. If you feel see that girl, you will be rewarded with 50,000 naira. If you see him, then for the boy, I pity you. You don't know the case where you put yourself. So, if you know the case where you put yourself, this case involves so many things. Involve so many things where you put yourself. Now that one I get when I want to tell you, Mr. Oga, what's a big car on that map again? On that age, put for your house. No wahala. So my people, I beg as I talk. Anybody will see, make una put it down. I go give the person 50,000 naira. When you see her, call the number when I put for this phone, the number when I go put for this video. You go call me with that number. Then you will be rewarded with your 50,000 naira. Once you don't get where a back of her and the police don't feel hold the boy and hold Beatrice. Thank you very much and God bless you. Which person? Which person?
But we not see the. He said the man.
We don't know the person when she say call. He said, but he lied to her. Say he won't go call him madam. You say he won't call him madam. Now let me say tell you. Now he take beg that man for phone. The man when he beg for phone, that one don't come. That one just come because he beg something. Now Beatrice beg the man. Now the girl when they say for a join a beg. Say he won't call him madam. He ask him madam. Say how much for him want buy. Say Beatrice go make her. Don't know let Beatrice talk. Say Beatrice can't leave the jerrycan here. Come out with the money we give her. Come out, go meet the person when he call.
Baby girl, the man where he use the phone call. Where the man?
Where the man when you use the phone take call for here? Where the man? Where the man they stay? I beg ask the man where collect the number.
I beg. He did there. I beg go meet her bed because.
Okay, Beatrice delete the number. Wait, take call. Okay, now your phone take call. Bro, so your phone take call. And he delete the number, come out. Now, picky where they stay with me. Oh. I send a phone. Picky where they stay with me. Now, phone. Now, my mommy they follow. My mama they call so.
She beg on me and my phone. She got phone.
Okay, beg you say want use your phone.
My friend called me $1 per minute. Okay, fine.
I beg talk to your mama. Explain to your mama what you tell me so.
Hello, good afternoon, madam. No,
Do I not tell you? If I tell you, I tell wait my quiet open now. No.
She not promote. No, she not buy the phone.
Bros, where you?
So my Jerica there, she leave my Jerica for you. 1 hour 30 might be 2 hours now. I don't find her pass everywhere.
That number for come on, I for say. I for go be like this, go big.
Depends on the phone.
Mama bet you see your picking when you born. You see this guy picking? You see her? Go see mama. Maybe mama dey phone call. So your mama say no dey there. Go see mama for where?
No, I say if you want work, I think use that and take play trick. Don't be say go back for your job.
See Jerican. You leave Jerican. Leave Jerican. Leave my Jerican for here. He? Now for me to go to police station. Why you go to police station?
Because mama tomorrow fit say no no.
Yes. I dey go police station, Mama Beatrice. I won't go right down for police station. They hear me. Say, he said use the phone call. You use take. She know what she. The worst of all, she didn't even back one for your phone.
Yeah, you go now. Make God not let back here.
Mama Beatrice say you dey see your pikin.
So you go say no dey that one when we just dey talk.
Yes, na. Eh, na.
Pikin, they're not doing nothing they play. So na him.
go carry them.